Alright, so I told myself I was going to record all this, but didn't actually end up doing it. I found a few parts that need replacing. So basically, I'm redoing the lower A-arms on the front and the back, or on both sides, sorry. The shocks are, I mean, I don't want to say they're shot, but the oil in them is just trash, so I'm redoing that. I had some old Blitz oil laying around, so we'll see how that does, at least for the fronts. We'll see how the back goes. I might do something heavier back there. Finally got the pull start. That just came today. That's cool. I did order a new fuel line because I thought it was broken, but it was actually only the return line that was broken. It wasn't the feed. The hubs are probably the biggest thing that just absolutely had to be done. I got the new fronts on and the new backs on. The old backs were just super fucked. Like I couldn't, this one right here, as you see the threads there, I couldn't even get a nut on this guy. He was beat up. Here's the other side. And that's the actual nuts that I got it with. Like, you can just tell it was severely bashed, you know. Dude had a lot of fun with it. Here's the front ones. Not as bad, but still pretty fucked up. That was a really weird setup the way that they had those going. These other ones just have a little E-clip on them. There's a weird setup on it. It's kind of crazy. So now, just wanted to rip these things apart and throw some new oil in them. See if we can't get a little better performance out of them. So yeah, that's where we're at. It's been a lot of fun so far, but I know it's gonna be a long process to even just get this thing rolling. A lot of parts ordered, still waiting on them. And yeah, it'll be fun.